What's up, boys? How's everybody doing today? My name's KEEB. Holy shit, I can't speak. And we're doing a little backtesting today. A little backtesting video for you guys today. I'm not going to lie. June's been looking rough. What should I do, bro? Let's do... Fuck it. Dude, let's do February of last year, boys. February last year, starting on the 1st. If you don't know me, my name is KEEB. Oh, no. Oh, well. Just deleted everything. Damn. Okay. Doesn't really matter, though. My name's KEEB. You guys already know. I'm not going to do a whole intro. Let's just get right into the back testing. Alright, daily gap that seems to be holding price. Previous day high up here. I think more... we'll see. I don't know. Let's see if we have any 4-hour gaps. Okay, we've tapped into this 4-hour here. On ES, we have this 4-hour. Let's see if we react off this and want to go lower. Bruh. Okay. Not coolio. Not cool. I just wonder how these gaps are going to hold price. Like, we do have previous day low here. But I don't know. We'll see. And we also have this 1 hour. So it's kind of dependent on how this 1 hour and 4 hour, how price reacts off these. Because I think we'd honestly want to move to previous day low, take out this as well, take out this kind of this trend line we have here before we want to move higher. But we'll see, I guess. Yep, and we're holding 15-minute. This 15 minutes holding price as well. Okay, let's see. I got this 15-minute too. Okay, let's see what we're gonna do here. Nice. Okay. I'm looking for maybe a sweep of this and then to run lower, or a trade higher off of this 1 hour. Okay, nice. I don't know if this 15-minute will hold price. A trade higher here would be very nice, though. Yuck. Wait, what? Wow, bullish action here is looking very nice. But we have a 5-minute on ES. We do. Interesting. Huh. Okay. Do we want the resweep? Okay, we got the resweep into the 1 hour. Ooh, looks like we may close through the 1 hour. Not looking good here, boys. We have built up a lot of trend line above. I'm liking this. Yikes. We just got this inversion off the turtle soup. Ooh, low key, bros. Ooh, and this 15-minute. Okay, this is EQ's holding price as well. I'm low-key liking this. I don't like how bearish this hourly candle is. I'd like to see... I think if we can get a change of the state here, I'll take it. Okay, and then we get a sweep again, bro. How many times are we going to keep resweeping? Okay, now here... Technically, this isn't my model. Maybe there's a better gap that we inversed or something. Low-key, hell no. Okay. Wow, okay. Really no inversion. I do like this, though, however. We have the sweep, the back-to-back sweep. I think this will honestly play out. I don't know if this will play out for my 1-to-1 here, however. We do have 930 highs here. We have 930 highs here. Holy moly. I don't know what we just did there, Bubba. 930 highs here. Let's see how we're reacting. Low key, I'm liking this. Respect of this. 5-minute looks super fucking clean. Changing the state on the 5-minute as well, technically, from this price leg. But ass price leg, however. Changing the state. The only thing that I don't like is this bullishness has been failing a lot. However, though, the main thing that I like here is that this 1 hour's holding price. These gaps are all holding price, if we can see here. This 30 minutes holding price, very nice. We're not getting the body close through it at all. So, technically, I mean, I'm obviously not taking this because it is my, not my, like, model for real, in a sense. However, I have been trying to practice changing the state of delivery trades. And this trade honestly looks beautiful, right? And technically, we have this 1 minute price like here that we could take. So I would probably just wait for 5 minute change in the state. I bet we will run all of this. Yeah, nice. Okay. So yeah, we ran all of that shit. W. It's just obviously not my model, right? So I'm not gonna be trading that shit. We could still get a trade here. If we can get like a 5 minute continuation off the 1 minute, I'd like that. That'd be fire. Now inverse is 15 minutes, so very clear. The only thing is you just got to be careful catching redistributions. You know what I mean? Nice. And then we inverse the 5 minute below. Okay. Not the greatest. 15 minute chop. Probably would be safe just not trading today. Oh, okay. Okay. Actually, hold up. We may get this a decent 5 minute continuation here. We open this nice con gap. Ooh, this 2 minute inversion looks sauce. Hold up. 5 minute con gap off of the hourly, off of the 30 minute. Bullishness is very obvious here to take out this accumulation zone liquidity as well as London liquidity. Very nice. Very nice con gap. What's our highest time frame inversion? Highest time frame inversion is going to be this 3 minute. Nice. Yikes. So in this scenario, with it being a redistribution, hold up, let me go back because this is definitely a trade that I take low key because it looks really nice. We have this 5 minute con gap off of here. Let's see what ES is doing at this current time. Okay, and we've inversed the gap as well. It looks very nice on ES. Looks very nice both pairs in all honesty because it's like where's our DOL going to be here now? You know what I mean? This swing high inside of the gap. I really like it. Give me 1 second though. I'm gonna use the bathroom right quick, boys. All right, you boys, drop down below if you think this 3 minute IFEG is going to play out. I will go break even at this accumulation zone high. I fuck with this. I can't lie. Highest time frame inversion. Is it the highest time frame inversion? Yes. Nice. Okay. I really like the spot ES is in. ES is okay. ES is 15 minute. Looks rough. However, the manipulation lower is very obvious that we're getting our distribution higher. I couldn't really care if I get fucked here. This is a trade I'd probably take over and over. Just for my smooth little 1-to-1. Let's see if I could increase my stop loss at all. I really don't even think that I need to do that. I'm wondering if I should do something like this. And then I could get just a super easy 1-to-1. Because if we do come back down here, right, I don't see why we would. We may want to. Ooh. Yikes, bro. If anything, I'll take the break even. I'd rather have a better stop loss. Right? I'd rather have a better stop loss. I would. So that's cool with me. I'll take the break even, I can't lie. And we are break even ski. And we got the break even. Okay. A trade I'll take. I think I would have got the 1-to-1 if I did have my stop here at the 5 minute. Because I was completely right about the idea that why would we want to come there? Why would we want to come back down here? And this is a 5 minutes, higher time frame, right? So very obvious. Hopefully, Let's hope that we get the break even to a loss. But no matter what, on a trade like this where there's not DOLs higher, your main DOL is here, right? At the time, the 4-hour swing, or the 1-hour swing, whatever, better 1-hour swing. But I'm always gonna go break even because what is above this, right? A fucking price imbalance, okay? So hopefully, yes, awesome, okay, and we got the loss after the break even. So yeah, I'll take that. I love that. That was awesome. That was a good trade. I fuck with it. Okay. Next day. Dude, I love making these videos for you guys. This video will probably be out this Saturday. Or maybe I'll just upload it tonight. Fuck it, boys. Okay, coming into the day, what am I thinking on this day, right? Previous day high here. I'd like to see this get taken out. We've edged it. We have these relative equal highs at our daily target here. PDJ. FBJ, go crazy, no concern, or whatever. What did Cardi say? I don't know. Okay. Nice. Okay, so really we're just going to see if this 4-hour is going to hold price. If this 4-hour holds price, we're expecting delivery upwards, expansion upwards. Let's see what ES is looking like. Wow, okay. ES doing the same thing. Let's get rid of our 4-hour here. Previous day highs here, accumulation zone highs above on the daily, liking that. We also have previous week high up here, and this weekly gap that we're filling. Holy fucking moly, that's crazy, bro. Okay, so I'm expecting price to move higher, holding this gap. It just depends, though. You know, you never know. 10 a.m. is gonna open this gap, 1-hour gap here. Not the greatest. Hopefully 9 a.m. kind of rushes upwards. Nice. And this huge 15-minute imbalance. Here, it's a strange day. Strange day here. Pretty strange day here. So let's see what price does when it opens. Okay, price immediately sweeps the slight sell-side liquidity we have here. And we want to get a move upwards. We could do like a 930 Judas Mech kind of situation here. I don't know. I don't really trade mechs like that though. So okay, we've tapped into the 15-minute. So that 930 Judas Mech would have played out. Nah, I'm not trading like that though. I'm not gonna lie. That's not how I trade. That's not how I make bread in trading. So we've tapped into this 15-minute here. What I'm looking for at this time and point is 5-minute cont gap. Yep, like we have here. 5-minute cont gap to get opened up and for us to tap into that. So let's see what we do here. Okay, nice. So we've wicked this 30-minute. Is this going to hold price? 30-minute is a high enough time frame for me to take a trade off of that. That's nice. 30-minute gap. Let's see what we want to do here. And then now I bet we're going to get a mech to this 5-minute. Wow, okay. Oh, we opened. Oh, shit. Okay, hold up. We opened another 5-minute. We tapped into this. We have this little breakaway gap below us. Nice. Okay. So we have this 5-minute imbalance here that we've opened off of the 1-hour. With how we've closed. Ooh, yikes! Did we inverse the 15 on here? Oh yeah, we inverse this tiny 15-minute and didn't even tap into this. So this is a day probably where I'd just be risk off, where I'm really not trying to really do anything here. So yeah, let's just see what we do here. We get the immediate inversion to the upside. Clear DOL. What's our hourly time frame looking like? I'm not gonna lie, this seems almost too obvious. I'm not expecting these gaps to hold price. It is just the fact of it is that it is a little what do you call it? It is a little lower probability, right? So obviously now though, reacting off the 4-hour with the liquidity sweep, I don't expect us to go further down anymore. And then with the previous day leading up to this accumulation, yeah, I'm taking this trade, bro. This shit's too clean. I can't lie. This shit looks super nice, bro. I don't expect these gaps to hold price. If anything, let's see here. Ooh, what time is it? 9:56. Not bad. If anything, bro, I'll go break even here. So, yeah, that's chill with me, low key. Damn, this ain't looking good, boys. This ain't looking good, boys. Yo, what are we doing, bruh? And at this point, I'm about to get out, bruh. Oh my god. I'm not gonna lie. I would have went with after seeing this chop. I probably would have went break even here. So I'm taking the break even, bro. Cause what the fuck? Or no, I'll take the loss. I don't even care. But what the fuck is this, bruh? This was low-key a banger trade. And it's just more the fact of like lower, because we're still reacting off of this, and after seeing that, yeah, now 10:15. Wait, what? We've opened a 15-minute at our stop, so definitely would have went break even here. Did not realize that though. Live markets, however, I'm sorry, boys. Call me a cheater, but I am taking the fucking break even, bro. Because, like, I would have went break even after this. After my break even gets edged like that, I'm going fucking break even, bro. And I'll take the break even. Oh my god. Because after this chop, bro, and we get I'm going break even. I don't care. I'm assuming that at this time and point, yeah, so we took my break even on ES. So that's completely my bad. Call me a chud in the comments. I don't give a fuck, bro. Call me whatever you want in the comments. And now it's 10:26. Let's see if this plays out. Okay, straight stop loss. Okay, 2 break even so far. Yippity fucking doodot. This is trading, boys. This is trading. This is the reality of trading, though, boys. Let's see what price action is looking like on this Saturday. Jeez, bubba. Okay. Next day. Okay, relative equal highs on the daily time frame. I'm liking. Ooh, hold up. Okay, this is looking swell, low key. We have previous day high, and then we also have previous week high here. Really not gonna mark out previous day high because with previous week high right there. Yeah, this is looking very nice. Okay, we have this 4 hour and the fucking 3 minute. 4 hour. I'd like to get a cont gap off of this 4 hour. Yeah, liquidity is just so obvious at this point. We're just continuing bullish. We have swept a lot of this liquidity, so maybe EQ is holding price very nicely. Wow, 1 hour chop. We're about to inverse this 30-minute. This 15-minute is surprisingly holding price. That's pretty crazy. And then we have this 15-minute here. Let's see what we do. 9:30 opens. We rip higher. We open we're just in this 15-minute chop, though. I don't like that. I'd like to get clear AMD here. If we can't, that's okay, though. Nice. Okay. Nice, bro. Okay. Still tap back into this 4 hour. If we can sweep all of this to get a move higher, I would really like that. No way. Ooh, I do like this 15-minute still continues to hold price, and we tap back into the 4 hour. Okay, it's very, very obvious at this point, like where we want to move, obviously. This inversion low-key looks ass. I'd want to get, fuck, a 5-minute con, and then look at the 5-minute leg here, right? Just kind of ass, bruh. It looks super clear though now. I can't lie. 9:30 highs up here. London liquidity resting to the left of us with previous week high all the way up here as our main objective, right? Using that as a price magnet. So I really like trades like this, except for the fact of this 2-minute inversion is low-key, but I bet it'll play out. But this is just not a kind of trade that I'd take, especially like I do like the AMD here. We sweep all of this liquidity. We put in our very nice swing. However, I don't know. I bet we'll get the 1-to-1 here, though. That's why we don't take that shit. Yo, that was nuts, boys. Holy moly. Yeah, that was crazy, bro. Okay, what do we want to do here? Oh my god, we're just dumping to the floor. About to inverse this 1 hour. Previous day low here. Ooh, maybe we do want that. That looks like a far away ass draw, though. I can't lie. We've opened this 15-minute con gap. I don't like that we don't have really. We do. Oh, yikes, bro. We have this. These 30 minutes are so invalid. I'd really hope we can open a 30-minute. Ooh, 30 minutes not going to get open till fucking 11. Okay, so we're fucked off a 15-minute, or a 30-minute, I mean. But we do have this 15-minute we could get, right? And with the bearishness now, it would make sense. So, let's see. I want to just see a tap into that. Okay, and we get the 5-minute continuation gap. Okay, so it looks like we don't even want to give a fuck about that, right? Okay, so price is just shitting the bed. Yikes. Okay. Yikes. Okay, well, I think we're fucked. And it's 10:30, so let's just see what we want to do. Maybe we'll tap. Okay, nope. We're just shitting the floor. Okay. Maybe another 5-minute comp? No, I'm just kidding. I would never take no shit like this. Wow. No, nothing to be opened up. Okay, I'm off. Yeah, this is retarded. Fucking actual bullshit. Actual retarded ass day, bro. Holy shit, bro. Okay. 4 hours. This 4 hours holding price. We have daily highs already been taken out. We have weekly high up here. Previous week high. Oh my god. Why does it look like this on the fucking 1 hour? Feel like a 4 hour ES that it's. Yeah, this 4 hours been inversed on ES, so I'm not really worried about it. We have this 1 hour here that's been tapped into like Bonnie Blue, but we swept liquidity in it, so I'm liking that. And we got a great reaction off of it, inversing this other 1 hour. So let's just see what we want to do here. Tapped into this 15-minute. Draw seems very clear at this point. Wow, okay. That's a wick if I've ever seen one. Stronger pullback into this 15-minute. I'm liking that. This actually may be a good trade. If we can actually get one. Can I mark out the 15-minute? Okay, we have the 1 hour sponsored 15-minute here. I'm liking this. 930 highs leading up to. We have this accumulation zone here, high time frame, and then we also have previous week high up there. So looking good, looking swell, looking pretty nice. Let's see what we can do to that. Okay, we have a 3-minute inversion. Can we get the inversion? No, we're just gonna piddle dick around. Nice. And we've inversed the 15-minute. Holy shit. Indecisive price action. All good though. Okay, nice. And okay, we swept liquidity in the 1 hour. Nice. Falling knife ass inversion. Bet we inverse this. No, we don't even inverse it. Wow. Okay. Falling knife at inversion. Holy shit, bro. We're just shitting to the floor. We open this 15-minute. See if we can get some con off that. Oh, nice. Whoa. Chill, brother, chill. Nice. We get to move into that. Now we're trying to catch a booty at redistribution. We have a 3-minute inversion. Okay. We do get the inversion with the change in the state. However, what are our what are our DOLs looking like? Previous day low, not bad. Ooh, I don't know. We're opening. No, we're not gonna open the hourly. No, we're not opening the hourly until. Ooh, yikes. Okay, it is a 15-minute, so it's not terrible. Fuck it, I'ma take it, bro. Fuck it. Bro, they got an AI partner and shit. Yo, get the fuck out of here, Bubba. Fuck are we doing? Wait, low key though. Hold up. Let's check narrative wise. I don't like this, bruh. I don't like this. Why am I looking at the 4-week fucking chart? The weekly gap is nuts though, bro. I can't lie. I don't know, bruh. It feels like a Jewish fake out. What do we think? Since it feels like a Jewish fake out. Wait. Yeah, I'll go break even at those 10 a.m. highs here. Bro, we dead ass, bro. I swear to God, bro. I swear to God. I swear to God. Watch this save my asshole, though. Oh my God, I'm fucking a genius. Oh my God. Oh my God, boys. Oh my God. Bro. This is going to be the break-even of all break-even videos, guys. I'm sorry. At least I'm trading. I'm taking trades that I have conviction in. And then, that's why, boys, that's why you go break-even on redistributions. I have called every single fucking break-even trade. That's, hey, I don't know if that's, I don't know. Is that good or bad? I don't know. Better than me fucking losing every trade sitting here. Jeez, bro. Jeez. Okay, I'm going to do one more here. We're at a 26-minute long video. Just know I love you guys, man. I do. I really do. Previous week high has been taken. Probably want to play around before we come to that. No 4-hour gap. Okay, 1-hour gaps for sure. We have this big 1-hour imbalance here. I'm not fucking whatever. Yeah, and we've taken out this. Ooh, we do have this too, which I believe is that. I don't know, bro. I really like to see LRL leading up to it. I hate trading when it's like just one swing like this that's just out in the middle of nowhere, because we tend to just fuck around when we do shit like that. So, and that's also not trades that I'm, taking live. Okay, so that's pretty much a fat imbalance everywhere. Tap into this 5-minute. Okay, we tapped into the hourly. No, we fucking haven't, I guess. Yeah, I'm fucking retarded, guys. Don't fucking mind me. We have this 30-minute here. Depending how this holds price, let's see if this shit's gonna hold price. And we get a reaction off of that. Okay, not the greatest. Yo, fuck you, baba. Okay, what do we got here? Wow, okay. Wow, okay. What the fuck are we doing? Sorry guys, I'm fucking retarded. Bro, okay, yeah, this is just dog shit price action, W. It's really not bad. We're opening gaps and filling them, but whoa, okay. What the fuck was that? Do we have like a SMT here? Hold up, I gotta go back. Sorry, boys. What the fuck did we just do? Okay, we tapped into maybe we tapped it on ES. Hold up. Sorry, boys. Normally I don't I always look at ES coming into the day, but when backtesting, I literally don't look at ES until SMT with the 30-minute shows manipulation. Cool, I guess. I mean, I'm not gonna take no shit now because I obviously know that we rip higher. Super just low probability. You're if you take this, you're so lucky that this shit plays out, bro. Like, this is just hella low probability, bro. I'm good. Maybe 5-minute Konski. Oh, nice. Okay. Nice. All right. And then this as well is just like low probability, bro. Where's your fucking draw? Yeah, and then nothing happens, and now it's 10-3. All right. Well, it has been a great backtesting session, ladies and gents. I appreciate all of you guys. Make sure if you tune in to the very end of this video, I do have a code for Alpha Futures, boys. You can go ahead and get yourself 20% off, or what is it right now? I think it's what is it, bruh? 10% off right now. And then when they do deals, you can use my code. Dude, I can't spell. On Alpha Futures, boys. Use this code on Alpha Futures. I love you. All my socials are going to be in the link below. I love you guys, man. Hope you guys have a great night. Peace out, boys.